In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple boards in Monday.com. We'll walk through building a dashboard and setting it up so you can pull data from more than one board into a single clear view. This is perfect for teams that manage parallel projects or want an overview of work happening across departments. Start by opening Monday and landing on the home area. From here, move into workspaces. This is the hub where your boards, docs, and dashboards live, so it's the right place to create something that ties information together. Next, look for the plus sign to create a new item. Click it, and from the options, choose Dashboard. A dashboard is a collection of widgets that visualize data from your boards. Using a dashboard is the official way to connect multiple boards and compare or roll up information in one place. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name so teammates immediately know what it's for. For example, use a name that reflects the scope or time frame you want to track. Good naming saves time later, especially when you're sharing it broadly. Now choose the privacy setting. You can keep it open to your workspace, make it private for focused work, or set it to shareable if you need to collaborate with external stakeholders. Pick what matches your audience and security needs. You can always adjust this later as your use case evolves. Click Create Dashboard. You'll see a clean canvas prompting you to add your first widget. Select Add Widget to begin building the views that will summarize your boards. Choose the Chart widget. Charts are great for comparing statuses, owners, or timelines across multiple boards, and they're one of the most straightforward ways to visualize trends and totals. You'll be prompted to connect boards to get started. This is where the multi-board magic happens. When you connect boards, aim to select boards that share similar structures, like the same status columns or matching labels, so your charts display clean, comparable data. It also helps to keep naming consistent across columns and groups, which makes filtering and grouping smoother. If you're working with sensitive information, double-check who has access to the boards you're connecting to ensure your dashboard respects team permissions. As you connect boards, think about the questions you want the chart to answer, such as progress by status or workload by assignee, so you can configure the widget with those outcomes in mind. And that's it. You opened Monday, created a dashboard, added a chart widget, and started the process of connecting multiple boards so your data can be visualized in one place. From here, you're ready to fine-tune your chart settings and turn that connected data into reliable, actionable insights.